Flippy Boy is making a return. What's up guys, Samsung's planning successor to the Galaxy Z Flip, and I've got some early leaks of it, so without any further ado, let's dig in. First off, the name is going to be Galaxy Z Flip3 instead of Flip 2, so that its naming matches up with the full series, so that there is going to be less confusion. Now the design language would be pretty much the same as previous model, as well as the size and the weight. We would still have a side mounted fingerprint scanner doubled as a power button. The cover display though would be somewhere around 2 inches, which is quite larger than previous model but not quite as big and usable as the Motorola Razrs, which is kind of a bummer. There would be a triple camera setup on the back, and I guess that it will be same as the Galaxy S21 with a 12 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra wide and a 64 megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom and 30 times hybrid zoom. Samsung has multiple design prototypes which they are testing, and the final design is going to be finalized soon, so make sure you subscribe if you want to see that. As for the internal display, we're going to have a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and as obvious, it would be foldable. There would be razor thin bezels and they would be symmetrical all across the screen, and ultra thin glass tech would also be quite improved, and it is going to be quite more durable. And there will be a 10 megapixel selfie camera. Sadly, we won't have an under display camera technology this time around, and it will be inside the hole punch, which will be in the center. We'd see a bigger battery size, and there's going to be a Snapdragon 875 based on 5nm process all across the board, no Exynos version whatsoever. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm really excited for the Galaxy Z Flip 3. I really like the Galaxy Z Flip, and let's hope for the best. I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe because I have a ton of more content coming up. Drop a like if you enjoyed, and I will catch you guys in the next vid.